अंतराल के बाद का समय शुरू होने जा रहा। हम एक बार फिर से सभी व्यूअर्स का खैर मकदम स्वागत करते हैं कश्मीर स्पोर्ट्स वॉच पे। और ये लीजिए सलामी जोड़ी भी अब मैदान के अंदर आ चुकी हैं, साहिल शफी और आफान कादिर। 153 रन बनाए हैं कश्मीर हावर्ड ने, तो 104 रन मैच जीतने के लिए करने होंगे सिटी हंक्स को। और अब देखना यही होगा कि उनकी जो सलामी जोड़ी है वो किस तरह का प्रदर्शन करेंगे पावर प्ले के अंदर। और गेंदबाजी की कमान आबिद गुल को दी गई है, जो आउट स्विंग करने में क्षमता रखते हैं और सबसे बढ़िया आउट स्विंगर गेंदबाज, इससे बेहतर मैंने अब तक नहीं देखा है।
Oh, that's a very good sign for the team here this time. What a shot! He has started an assault on the opponents on very beginning here and sent the ball to the deep mid wicket. But good fielding at the end. Ball has been sent back to the wicket keeper. A 1-run result is there. Score goes up to now 2 without any loss, and over number first is in progress. We warmly and very cordially welcome back you on Kashmir Sports Watch. Stay tuned and stay connected. This time bangs it all the way, bells it over the top of the ropes there. It's all the way for a big 6. What a terrific shot that is.
इस पारी का पहला छक्का और बॉलर उसके सर के ऊपर से गेंद दर्शक दीर्घा में, और ये साहिल शफीक के बल्ले से पहला छक्का निकलता हुआ 8 रन बोर्ड के ऊपर। और ये पहला ओवर इस समय जारी है, और जिस इंटेंट के साथ वो मैदान के अंदर आए हैं ना, ऐसा लग रहा है कि जल्द से वो इस मैच को समाप्त करना चाह रहे हैं।
The intentions are very clear from Sahil Shafi there. And Sahil Shafi has banged it over the top of the fence for a 6. This was a bowler's back drive. What a shot. Abid Gul is going to the top of his bowling mark. One slip in place. Good caught in through the offside. Good in swinger this time. And it was in the block hole. Manzoor Pandu at the mid-off comes in and saves it. No run result. The score remains unmoved. It's 8 on the board. Sahil Shafi has shown his intentions very clear after getting a first 6 in very first over. His strike rate is 233. And he is not out on 7. This time launches it and whacks it all the way. That's landing outside the deep mid wicket fence for another 6. That is biggest of the ball.
जी हाँ, अब तक का सबसे बड़ा छक्का साहिल शफी के बल्ले से, दूसरा छक्का इस ओवर का। और आबिद गुल के सामने, आबिद गुल एक बढ़िया गेंदबाज हैं, लेकिन उनके सामने चुनौती दे रहे हैं यहाँ साहिल शफी। ये चले एक बार फिर से उठाने का प्रयास, लेकिन डॉट गेंद। और इसी के साथ ओवर की भी समाप्ति। पहला ओवर समाप्ति के बाद 14 बिना नुकसान के सिटी हंक्स की टीम 153 रन बनाए हैं। 104 रन मैच जीतने के लिए करने होंगे। ऐसे में पावर प्ले का वो भरपूर फायदा उठाना चाहते हैं। 114 गेंदों में 140 रन चाहिए मैच जीतने के लिए।
154 is the target to the opponents here. That is City Hunks here. And Anson City Hunks captain Umar Alam this afternoon won the toss and decided to bowl first. They have been given the target of 154 runs. The captain of the Kashmir Hawards, Zohur Sufi, comes into the attack in second over. First over gone. It's 14 on the board with one slip in place for Zohur Sufi. Backward a point. A good cordon through the offside. We have a straightish point short cover, mid off, and extra cover comes in place in form of Manzoor Pandu. We have long on. 2 fielders are staying outside the 30-yard ring here. And there is deep mid-wicket at the catching position. Zohur Sufi is starting a fresh over. And this is going to be the second over of the second innings here. And in the second match as well, the batsman ready to face him is Sahil Shafi. Comes in. Oh, inside edge, racing like a bat. This is big untowardness for the team Kashmir Hawards. Ball races to the third man fans. No protection in the deep. It's another boundary here.
इस बार अंदरूनी किनारा साहिल शफी के बल्ले से और गेंद बाउंड्री के बाहर 4 रनों के लिए। इस बार बागी ने साथ दिया है और कहते हैं ना कि बागी उन्हीं का ही साथ देते हैं जो बहादुर होते हैं इस क्रिकेट में। और अब तक साहिल शफी बहादुर के तौर पे पेश आ रहे हैं जोहर सोफी के सामने। इस बार काफी खराब गेंद ऑफ स्टंप से काफी बाहर, निश्चित तौर पे वाइड का इशारा होना चाहिए।
Lovely Umar, you know what happened there, and Afnan and Sahil Shafi, and they are at the crease there. And Zohar Sofi goes to the top of his bowling mark. Afnan Kadir, the wicketkeeper batsman, is on strike now. Will be facing to Zohar Sofi. One slip in place continues there. Good cordon through the offside. Comes down the track and smashes it over the man at the mid-off. It's racing towards the fence. It has been protected before it goes towards the ropes there. And good fielding here by Kashmir Howards. Manzoor Pandey was also accompanying the fielder. And 2 more runs have been taken there. Score is going up to now to 21 on the board already. Third over in progress. Third ball to go in the second over. Zohar Sofi is holding the ball.
सही मानों में जिस तरह से ये दो खिलाड़ी खेल रहे हैं, इसको T20 इसी को कहा जाता है जो तमीज से नहीं खेला जाता है। अब तक दबाव सारा गेंदबाज के ऊपर, और इस बार गति परिवर्तन किया था कवर के ऊपर से, गेंद बाउंड्री के बाहर 4 रनों के लिए, और इन 4 रनों के साथ 25 रन बाउंड पे।
Placement was a treat to watch there. Batsman makes inside out and stays on behind the line and sends the ball in an absolute fashion. Ball goes to the cover fielder and beats him at the mid-off. It's racing to the fence for 4, and this was a fascinating shot.
दूसरे छोर से जोहर सोफी जो उनके कप्तान हैं इस समय गेंदबाजी करते नजर आ रहे हैं। अभी तक 3 ही गेंदें उन्होंने की हैं और गहरे रन दिए हैं। ऐसे में दबाव वो जरूर महसूस करें। ये चले ओवर द विकेट। इस बार बहुत अच्छी गेंद और एक अच्छी वापसी भी। इस बार गुड लेंथ स्पॉट पे ये गेंद उन्होंने जरूर डाली थी, और जब आप वहां पे गेंदबाजी करोगे एक गेंदबाज के तौर पे तो दबाव में जरूर महसूस करेंगे आप बल्लेबाज को। लेकिन अगर आप देखें जिस तरह से सिटी हंक्स के जो खिलाड़ी हैं वो किस तरह से पेश आ रहे हैं, बिल्कुल कहना यही पड़ेगा कि एक अच्छी सोच विचार के साथ वो अब तक जरूर खेल रहे हैं। ये चले जोहर सोफी एक बार फिर से इस बार कोई गलती नहीं की, शॉर्ट कवर पे खिलाड़ी मौजूद है और पहली विकेट का पतन जोहर सोफी ने एक और विकेट का पतन यहां किया है।
This was a similar shot, but the result was different. And the catch has been taken at the short cover region. Changes his bit of a line. It was bit fuller, and he wanted to go inside out once again. This is clearly not a good cricket from Afnan. After getting few boundaries, I think there was no need of hitting the ball once again. Goes and stays behind the line and sends the ball. This time he remains unsuccessful. A ball has been taken at the short cover region, and the catch has been taken. First wicket falls here for City Hunks, and that's walking back to their hut. Abid Nabi is now coming at number 3rd position. Abid Nabi.
जी हाँ, उसके आउट होने के बाद अब आबिद नबी मैदान के अंदर पहुंच रहे हैं। ऐसे में एक दिग्गज ऑलराउंडर उनको जरूर कहा जाता है, लेकिन आज उनके सामने एक बढ़िया चुनौती, कहते हैं ना कि मंच पे पंच मारने की जरूरत है, ऐसा आबिद नबी सोच रहे होंगे। 2 नंबर की जर्सी में वो खेल रहे हैं और अंपायर से इस समय वो गॉड ले रहे हैं।
Abid Nabi is taking the guard from the umpire. Zohar Sofi in the meantime goes to the top of his bowling mark. He is another jewel in the crown. Abid Nabi, he has played a lot of cricket and represented Jammu Kashmir Cricket Association and represented the Union Territory of JK as well. Goes to the top of his bowling mark. Zohar Sofi gets his first victim. Abid Nabi has yet to face his first ball. Is 25 on the board already. Second over is going here. Sophie comes in. Last time in this over. Right arm over the stumps. This time Abid Nabi back foot punch and what a placement. Opens his account in a typical fashion. Sends the ball towards the deep coverage and for 4. The score is moving up to now to 1D9 for the loss of 1 wicket. 2 over is gone. The current run rate is 14.50. So expensive start here. I think Kashmir Howards are leaking and conceding huge number of runs in the very beginning. If they want to win it, then they have to contain the opponents.
जी हाँ, ये सही रणनीति के साथ इस समय सिटी हंकर्स खेल रहे हैं। भले ही एक विकेट आउट जरूर हुई है, लेकिन सोच में कोई भी बदलाव नहीं। अगर आप फील्डिंग की बात करें, किस तरह की सजावट उनके कप्तान ने रखी है, पहले स्लिप के अलावा गली, बैकवर्ड पॉइंट शॉर्ट का हुआ, मिड ऑफ, ये है ऑफ साइड की फील्ड, ऑन साइड पे फील्ड, फाइन लेग जो है वो 30 गज दायरे के अंदर है, डीप स्क्वायर लेग और लॉन्ग ऑन जो है वो कैचिंग पोजीशन पे उन्होंने जरूर तैनात किए गए हैं। ऐसे में मंजूर डार, पहला परिवर्तन किया जा रहा है गेंदबाजी में। मंजूर डार को गेंदबाजी की कमान सौंप दी जा रही है। इस बार बढ़िया शॉट था, वहां शॉर्ट कवर पे खिलाड़ी जरूर मौजूद हैं। रन बनाने का कोई भी संभावना वहां नहीं है। ये तीसरा ओवर इस समय जारी है। 29 रन पे एक आउट जरूर हुआ है सिटी हंक्स की। अगर आप बात करें तो कश्मीर हावर्ड ने आज दोपहर के उनके कप्तान ने टॉस जीता था और उन्होंने पहले सिटी हंक्स के कप्तान ने टॉस जीता था और पहले गेंदबाजी करने का उन्होंने वहां चयन किया है। मुकर्रर 20 ओवर्स में कश्मीर हावर्ड ने 153 रन बनाए हैं, तो 104 रन मैच जीतने के लिए करने होंगे सिटी हंक्स को। ये तीसरा ओवर इस समय जारी है। 29 पे एक विकेट यहाँ पे आउट जरूर हुई है। अगर आप सिटी हंक्स की बात करें तो साहिल शफी और आबिद नबी इस समय मैदान के अंदर है। इस बार अतिरिक्त उछाल के साथ गेंद उठती हुई गेंद की कीपर के दस्तानों में, रन बनाने का कोई भी संभावना नहीं। आबिद नबी जो है वो साहिल शफी के पास गए हैं, बातचीत वो उनके साथ कर रहे हैं कि इस तरह के शॉट्स खेलने की यहाँ कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप खेल अनुसार खेलें, अपने आप को समय दे। शायद यही कहे होंगे वहाँ आबिद नबी साहिल शफी को। इस बार काफ़ी जगह थी, ऑप्शन से बाहर थी, लेकिन खेलना चाहते थे, लेकिन प्लेसमेंट ढूंढने में पूरी तरह से असफल जरूर हुए हैं। रन बनाने का कोई भी मौका वहां पे नहीं है। इस बार फील्ड अनुसार गेंदबाजी जरूर कर रहे हैं। आपके स्क्रीन के सामने मंजूर पांडव जो कश्मीर का एक स्टार माना जाता है, और इस बार उठाने की कोशिश थी, अक्रॉस द लाइन खेलने का उन्होंने प्रयास किया था। मिड विकेट के ऊपर से वो खेलना चाह रहे थे, लेकिन बैट और बॉल के बीच संपर्क नहीं हुआ और डॉट गेंद ये जरूर हुई है। मंजूर डार जो है अपने कोटे का पहला ओवर करते नजर आ रहे हैं। अब तक उन्होंने कोई भी रन नहीं दिया है और कोशिश उनकी यही है कि एक मैडन ओवर किया जाए यहाँ, और इसी के साथ मैडन ओवर की भी समाप्ति। मंजूर डार ने बहुत ही बढ़िया ओवर किया है, और तब जब उनकी टीम को चाहिए था 3 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 29 पे एक सिटी हंक्स की टीम।
Yes, lovely. It is 153 on the board by Kashmir Howard, and the target is 154 to the opponents. 29 already comes here, and Sahil Shafi is not out on 13 from 11 balls. Afnan has been sent back to the hut. He has faced 6 balls, 11 runs. Zuhur Sufi has already taken a wicket. Abid Gul has started the operation, and 1 over 14 runs. It was highly expensive. Zuhur Sufi 1 over 15 runs comes in his second over. This time wide outside the off stump, bit short in length, short rising delivery, beautifully bowled. Batsman had no clues to play it. Abid Nabi, he wants a wide ball, and despite he knows it that he was staying away from the line there, and was staying at the leg stump. In fact, no run result. Score stays on 29. One down. Over number 4 has been started by Zohur Sofi. A big cordon through the offside. 6 fielders to the offside, 3 fielders to the onside. Sofi comes in. Abid Nabi this time didn't time it well. Finds the fielder at mid-on until Abid Nabi and Sahil Shafi changes their ends. Ball has been received by the Zohur Sofi. Score goes up to 30 for the loss of 1 wicket. 4th over is in process here. Zohur Sofi has been bit economical in this over. He has conceded 15 runs in last over. 4th over is in progress. One slip continues in. Backward a point, Reddish point, short cover. This was a beamer one. It has been smashed all the way, and that's a big 6. This is another 6 from Sahil Shafi. Ball has been dispatched towards the cow corner for a big 6. Score goes up to 36 for the loss of 1 wicket, and third 6 for Sahil Shafi. He is dealing in 6s here. 12 balls and 19 runs, and his strike rate is 158 here. Zohur Sofi comes right arm over the stumps to Sahil Shafi. Once again, bit shorter there. Sends the ball to the deep mid-wicket fence. Fielder is already there, patrolling that area until ball will be received back by the wicket-keeper Moomin. Batsmen have all the time between the wickets to change their ends. That has taken the tally to 37, 1 down. 5th ball of this over. Abid Nabi will be facing Zohur Sofi. 2 fielders at the catching position. Long on and deep mid-wicket. Zohur comes in right arm over the stumps with a long run up. Oh, this time Dil Scoop, what a shot! Improvisation by Abid Nabi. Utilizes his all the pace. Ball is just landing one bounce into the fence for 4. This was a fantastic shot from Abid Nabi. And this is the beauty of this Abid Nabi. He was asking for a 6. Abid, just stay calm and work with patiently for this game, as 154 is the target for you people here. It is 41 on the board here. Zohur Sofi is looking very expensive now. He has conceded a lot of runs. Coming last time in this over. Right arm over the stumps. This time glances the ball beautifully, and 5 leg is up in the 30-yard circle. Outfield is quite fast, and ball is racing to the fence. Back-to-back boundaries here. It is 4 overs gone, 45 on the board for the loss of 1 wicket. Lovely Umar. Abid Nabi is not out on 13. 5 balls just faced. His strike rate is 260.
और अब तक बहुत ही महंगा ओवर साबित होता हुआ जोहर सोफी का, जो उनके कप्तान हैं कश्मीर हावर्ड के, और मेरे साथ मेरे सहयोगी अंग्रेजी कमेंटेटर शफी परा, वादिया कश्मीर के सबसे महान कमेंटेटर। जब हम इंग्लिश कमेंटेटर की बात करते हैं, सबसे ऊपरी स्थान पे शफी परा का नाम लिया जाता है। इस बार बहुत ही अच्छी गेंद। मंजूर पांडव जो हैं, आज उनके बल्ले से रन नहीं निकले हैं, लेकिन गेंदबाजी में वो अपनी दार जरूर दिखाना चाह रहे हैं, और ये है एक अच्छे संकेत जरूर हैं कश्मीर हावर्ड की। अगर आप बात करें, आबिद नबी और साहिल शफी इस समय मैदान के अंदर हैं। 5 गेंदों में 13 रन बना के नाबाद हैं आबिद नबी। एक दिग्गज ऑलराउंडर में उनका शुमार जरूर किया जाता है। मंजूर पांडव के सामने वो ठीक तरह से चल नहीं पा रहे हैं। अभी तक जितनी भी छोटी पारी खेली है साहिल शफी ने, मंजूर पांडव के सामने बिल्कुल बेबस नजर आ रहा है, और ऐसे में मुझे लग रहा है कि एक विकेट होने के चांसेस यहाँ बहुत ही ज्यादा उत्पन्न हो रहे हैं। मंजूर पांडव ने आज 8 ही रन बनाए हैं अपनी टीम के लिए। इस बार गाइड किया, वहां पॉइंट का खिलाड़ी जब तक उसको फील्ड कर पाते 1 रन से रोक नहीं पाएंगे। इस 1 रन के साथ 46 रन बोर्ड पे ये 5वां ओवर इस समय जारी है। अगर आप रन रेट की बात करेंगे ना तो ज्यादा कोई मसला नहीं है, लेकिन अंत तक टिके रहने की जरूरत है। करंट रन रेट 10 से अधिक हैं, जो रुकाई रन रेट हैं वो 6.797 के गति के हिसाब से, रन गति के हिसाब से उनको रन बनाने होंगे। उमर आलम भी आज इस मैच का हिस्सा है। कुल मिला के JNK के सभी स्टार इस मैच का हिस्सा जरूर ले रहे हैं। इस बार बहुत बढ़िया शॉट, एक्स्ट्रा कवर के ऊपर से गेंद बाउंड्री के बाहर, 4 रनों के लिए इस बार आबिद नबी के बल्ले से, और इसी के साथ 50 रन बोर्ड के ऊपर। आबिद नबी एक बढ़िया पारी जरूर खेल रहे हैं अपनी टीम के लिए। शायद आज उसको इसीलिए प्रमोट भी किया जा रहा है, शायद वो चाह रहे हैं कि एक बढ़िया शुरुआत उनको मिले, लेकिन अब तक वो देने में वो कामयाब जरूर हुए हैं। आबिद नबी की अगर आप बात करें, 6 गेंदों का उन्होंने सामना किया, 17 रन बना के वो अभी भी नाबाद है। उसका साथ देते हुए साहिल शफी जो 21 रन बना के खेल रहे हैं। अगर आप पार्टनरशिप की बात करें तो 18 गेंदों में वो 25 रन इस समय बना चुके हैं। अगर आप पार्टनरशिप की बात करें, निश्चित तौर पे थोड़ा आगे वो जरूर जाना चाहेंगे, एक बढ़िया साझेदारी यहाँ जरूर बनाना चाहे। इस बार गति का इस्तेमाल किया, कवर और पॉइंट को बीचों बीच जानबूझ के 2 टप्पे के बाद गेंद बाउंड्री के बाहर, 4 रनों के लिए। इन 4 रनों के साथ 54 रन बोर्ड पे। 5 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 54 पे एक सिटी हंकर्स की टीम। शफी भाई, ऐसा तो लग रहा है कि जल्दबाजी में लग रहे हैं, लेकिन एक अच्छी चीज सिटी हंकर्स के लिए यह है कि अभी तक कारगर सिद्ध जरूर हुए हैं।
Yes, the current run rate is already bulging up, and it has sent some serious notes in the fielders of these Kashmir Howards. And it is 54 already on the board for the loss of 1 wicket. 5 overs gone. Abid Nabi is not out on 21. Sahil Shafi is not out on 21 as well. Comes in, bowls to Sahil. Good delivery this time. Zohar Sofi comes back and comes back very strongly in this over. And the score is already 54 on the board. Zohar Sofi goes to the top of his bowling mark. Last over of the power play. We have 5 fielders here from the gully region towards the cover region. It is Sohail Mir, the top scorer from the first inning, staying at the first slip. We are backward a point, straightish point, short cover, mid-off, and extra cover in form of Manzoor Pandos. Zohar Sofi comes in. This time edged and taken. Terrific catch taken by Momin behind the wickets. It was a short pitch bouncer. Batsman wanted to go across the line and wants to lift it over the mid-wicket fence. And catch has been taken. That is absolutely an acrobatic fielding by the wicketkeeper. It is finally another wicket here. It is 54 on the board for the loss of 2 wickets. Zohar Sofi, look at the confidence of Zohar Sofi. Before this over, he has conceded 31 runs. But in this very new over, in the 3rd over, he has come back and come back very strongly. Got the wicket off. A very important wicket. A vital, partnership has been demolished here. That has been broken and has been sent back to the hut. Sahil Shafi is walking back to the hut. And Abid Nabi is not out. He's at the non-strikers end. Gulzar. Boom, boom, Gulzar comes in and is joining the party here. Gulzar has scored 54 runs out of 14 balls in the last game here. And yesterday he has scored 109 runs from 40 balls in the Go-Go ground. And he had to chase 200 and it is Azan, let's wait. Look. Yes.
Păi stăzi mezre de trebuie și mobil.
Dakika charge में चला गया नहीं पिन
Mez bagul Fransız ne yapacak?
साउंड अगर इनकी मौसम को ऑफिस सुबह जा केयर
Saúde sabe yem que tem.
o que é isso केयर जिस केयर वाला कुछ होता है इसमें केयर है क्या अरे ज़रूर है हेड डेली की कैमरा Davam bir sefer. Çıkartma kursu çalalım. Suya düşün. Şurada kadar yine yol yapıyor. Ne de ya?
Sıfır bir karası.
Yok da sıfır.
Bunu da
करो तो कर अंतराल के बाद अंतराल
अजान का समय था तो इसलिए हमने अपने माइक्रोफोन जो थे वो नीचे रखे थे तो छह ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 59 पे 2 यहाँ सिटी हंक्स की टीम मंजूर पांडो अपने कोटे का तीसरा ओवर करते नजर आ रहे हैं। ऊंचा खेला, खिलाड़ी नीचे आ रहे हैं लेकिन कैच जरूर छूटा वहां से। ऐसा तो हम अनुमान लगा के बैठे थे कि एक अच्छा कैच होगा लेकिन ऐसा बिल्कुल भी ना हुआ। आबिद नबी और गुलजार अहमद अभी भी आए हैं मैदान के अंदर। उसको बूम बूम के नाम से जाने जाते हैं। अगर कुछ ओवर वो खेलते तो इस मैच का मजा जरूर आ सकता है लेकिन देखना यही होगा क्या गुलजार थोड़ा समय तक इस पिच पे खेल सकते हैं या नहीं।
Manzoor Pandu comes in, balls to this time Gully in a typical style. Short pitch delivery has been punished. Straight down the long leg fence for a 4 here. Gulzar opens his account in terms of boundaries here. He moves up to 7 and Shakur goes up to now 65. 2 down, over number 7th is in progress. Abid Nabi is at the non-strikers end. He is not out on 25. Manzoor Dar comes once more in this over. Right arm over the stumps to Gulzar. Gulzar, this time it's all the way. Flash dur. And everything changed here. Everything changed here. It was popping up in there. And we have to sort out the issues here. Technical head of the Rakib is here and sorting out the things. Gulzar Breeve is only one thing that go berserk against the opponents here, Kashmir Howards. It is 71 already on the board. 2 wickets down. Our number 7th is in progress here. Gulzar is on strike. Abid Nabi is at the non-striker's hand. Shakur moves up to 71. 81 balls and 83 runs. The current run rate is 10.92 and the required run rate is 6.15. Manzoor Pandey has yet to get his wicket. Zohur Sofi 3 overs 36 runs and 2 wickets. Zohur Sofi has conceded only 5 runs from his last over, from his third over in fact. And this was Gulzar Gulli. He wants to go hard over it. Ball has taken an inside, in fact a top edge, a leading edge, and has gone straight down to the third man fans for 4. And that was in fact a signal as 6. Shakur moves up to Shakur moves up to now 71 for the loss of 2 wickets. Ball has been changed now. Umpire goes there. Whole box of balls have been taken towards the umpire. Lauli Umar Gulzar is hailing from district Budgam, from Chadura town, and he's a very, very talented and a promising batsman, and he knows only one style, that is just go and bang the ball.
जी हाँ, आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा है कि गुलजार जो हैं उसको बूम बूम के नाम से जाने जाते हैं, लेकिन अब तक जो उन्होंने कुछ शॉट्स खेले हैं ऐसा लग ही रहा है कि ये सच में बूम बूम हैं.
Yes, it looks like he is in a boom boom style. 71 already on the board. We are just in over number 7. Ball has been changed now. It looks like Manzoor Pandey goes to the top of his bowling mark. Ball has been received here by the fielders. Sohail Mead, the top scorer with 46 runs in the first inning, is staying at the first slip with jersey number 99. We have jersey number 10 at the backward up point. We have a straightish point. Now Gully has been placed with a deep point, short cover, long off, long on, and 5 fielders are at the catching positions. We have a deep mid wicket, deep square leg, and third man is up in the 30-yard circle. Manzoor Pandey comes in. This time wants to lift it over the mid wicket fence. Couldn't connect to the ball. No meetings at all. Apart from being a hard hitter, Gulzar needs to keep some patience there. The crowd has come here in the second innings in a huge number. Some crowd from the Chadura also watching the match. And Gulzar Gulli is on strike. Pandey goes to the top of his bowling mark. Slip has been replaced now. Boom, boom. Boom, boom goes for a big one. It's all the way. Left switch. Catches the call. Drop it. It was a big shot from, in fact, Gulzar Boom Boom. It was all the way, but ball has taken the height instead of taking the distance here. Landed safely. Gulzar is hailing from district Budgam, from Chadura. Goes to the top of his bowling mark, Manzoor Pandey. Will be bowling to Abid Nabi. Silver one, beautifully bowled. Nudges the ball towards the short mid wicket. Oh, there was a shot. The no-striker and good fielding by Manzoor Pandey. Manzoor Pandey is quick, and his reflex is quick. It looks like he is a heavyweight championship man playing WrestleMania, WW WrestleMania, and he was a really great kabaddi player and he has served the ATM services as well in the JK Banks. Manzoor Pandey has really worked hard for his career. Finally, he has got some opportunity in the IPL with Kings 11 Punjab. Though he could not get any opportunity on the field, but off field in the dressing room, Lovely Umar, he has shared absolutely all the moments with some international stars like Chris Gayle in special. And once a picture was taken between Chris Gayle and Manzoor Pandey. Manzoor Pandey in front of Chris Gayle looks like a Gulliver among the Lilliput.
जहाँ कमेंट्री बॉक्स में भी हम कभी कभार इस तरह की बातें करते हैं, लेकिन मंजूर पांडे जिस तरह का खिलाड़ी है, स्वाभाविक तौर पे अगर आप देखें, मुझे ये काफ़ी पसंद है। और हालिया समय में उनकी जो पिक्चर है वो काफ़ी वायरल भी हुई थी सोशल मीडिया को लेके, जब वो प्रो कबड्डी खेल रहे हैं। एक बढ़िया खिलाड़ी और एक एथलीट मंजूर पांडे, हमें तो ये काफ़ी पसंद है। कबड्डी जो पिक्चर उनकी है वो भी काफ़ी वायरल हुई थी सोशल मीडिया को लेके।
Physique matters. We have a huge number of friends. I think there are some tall guys like Rakib is very tall, 6.2 inch. I am 6 feet, and there are other guys who are around 6 and 5.10, 5.9. I have a lot of friends who are absolutely having very nice physique, and whenever I take a picture with Manzoor Pandey, I am in front of him like a kid, but when Manzoor Pandey himself is in front of Chris Gayle, he is absolutely like a child. This time Abid Nabi goes on the back foot and punches it towards the short cover. Fielder is there, and Zohar Sofi does not allow the batsmen to change their ends. Score stays on 73 for the loss of 2 wickets. This time slaps the ball towards the long offense. Fielder comes in there, sends the ball back to the bowler. 1 run results.
गुलजार बूम बूम अब स्ट्राइक पे आए हैं। पिछले ओवर में उसको एक जीवनदान जरूर मिला है, तो अब देखना होगा क्या उसको वो कन्वर्ट एक बड़े स्कोर में कर सकते हैं या नहीं। इस बार गेंद हवा में, कीपर नीचे आ रहा है, समय पूरा है उनके पास, इस बार कोई गलती नहीं। गुलजार बूम बूम जो है वो वापस जा रहा है निराश कदमों के साथ।
This is wonderful to see. Gulzar has kept a single cameraman here just on my right side, and he is absolutely disappointed, but Gulzar's wicket has been taken. That's absolutely a great wicket here. This can give some momentum in the hurdle of this Kashmir Howards. Manzoor Pandey, Zohar Sofi, some other guys comes in the hurdle there. They are having a pep talk. Now the big man, the captain of the side, is coming and walking towards the middle. That is Umar Alam is joining the party. Now the most two experienced veteran cricketers of the valley are at the middle. Let's wait and watch how they will anticipate the situation and how they will execute their plans now. Owais Swani, data entry operator, is watching the match from Goshbuk. Thank you so much for joining me. It is 74 on the board. 3 wicket is down. The run rate has come down now. It is 9.87. And the asking run rate is 6.40. Lovely Umar, we are giving live streaming on Kashmir Supports Watch from the JKPL Green Valley Educational Institute venue here from the summer capital of the JK Union Territory, that is Srinagar. Change in the bowling now. Usad Firdos has been brought into the attack. Edge it and drop it behind the wickets was tough call for the wicketkeeper. This is the shortest dimension of the ground through the third man fence. As flying through the first and the wicketkeeper's dimensions here. It's all the way 2 bounces into the fence for 4 from Abid Nabi. Abid Nabi has been to some extent fortunate today. Comes down the track and punches it beautifully. Can he find the gap? Yes, he does. Finds a gap through the extra cover fence for 4. Back-to-back boundaries here. Abid Nabi's individual score moves up to now 35 from 16 balls. 8 boundaries. Good delivery, just nudged the ball towards the short Sukad leg region. Fielder himself, a bowler comes in. until he receives the ball. Yet another run has been taken. 8 over is gone, 83 on the board. So, Lovely Umar, what important here is for Kashmir Howards? I think there is a shortage of another bowler here. We haven't seen any good spinner bowler. Spinners can put some pressure on the opponents. They are leaking lot of runs. They are consistently relying on Manzoor Pandu. He is going with the last over of his quota. He has bowled 3 overs, 1 maiden, 23 runs, and he has yet to get his wicket. Manzoor Pandu comes, will be bowling to Abid Nabi. It was a slower one. Catches the call, will be taken, and what a catch! Finally, a wicket comes in favor of Manzoor Pandu. Short pitch delivery. Manzoor Pandu gets some respite, as team of Kashmir Howards as well. So I already mentioned that this team is relying on Manzoor Pandu's strategy. He was brought into the business. Captain had faith in him, confidence in him. I think he has got a big wicket here. That is Abid Nabi. He was blazing all his guns here.
जी हाँ, आबिद नबी यहाँ आउट होकर वापस जा रहे हैं और कितने निराश लग रहे हैं वो। कहीं ना कहीं वो जानते थे कि मेरा क्रीज पे टिके रहना बहुत ही जरूरी था, लेकिन क्रिकेट में ऐसा नहीं चलता है। जब आप कहीं पे भी सोच रहे हैं कि आपकी विपरीत कहानियां होती हैं, यही इस खेल का मजा है। उमर आलम जो उनके कप्तान हैं वो अभी अभी मैदान के अंदर आए थे, तो अब दोनों नए बल्लेबाज मैदान के अंदर हैं। ऐसे में उनको बड़े शॉट खेलना उतना आसान नहीं रहेगा और कोशिश यहाँ यही होगी कि कुछ अच्छे शॉट जरूर खेले जाए। और उमर आलम जो है उस विकेट आउट होने के बाद वो काफी निराश खुद भी थे, और क्यों नहीं, वो जानते थे कि ये एक अच्छे लय में जरूर दिखाई दे रहे थे। ये शॉर्ट गेंद थी, वहां डीप मिड विकेट पे खेला। जब तक उसको फील्डर फील्ड कर पाते, 1 रन से रोक नहीं पाएंगे। और ये मंजूर पांडु का ये कोटे का आखिरी ओवर था और दूसरी विकेट उन्होंने जरूर ली है अपनी टीम के लिए। और तारीफ करनी होगी उनके कप्तान की भी, ज़ुहूर सोफी की भी, जिन्होंने लगातार मंजूर पांडु को चौथा ओवर करा दिया। और इस बार शॉर्ट गेंद थी, एक बार फिर वहां मिड ऑन के क्षेत्र में खेला गया शॉट, 2 रन से रोक नहीं पाएंगे। हालांकि 1 रन वहां जरूर बना था, हल्की सी मिसफील्ड हुई, उस कारण से 2 रन अर्जित जरूर किए गए हैं। इन 2 रनों के साथ 86 रन बोर्ड पे ये 9वां ओवर इस समय जारी है। रन रेट बहुत ही आला है, ऐसे में थोड़ा समय बिताने की जरूरत है मैदान के अंदर। भला उससे बेहतर और कौन जान सकता है। उनके कप्तान जो हैं उमर आलम, वो इस समय मैदान के अंदर खुद खेल रहे हैं, जो 1 नंबर की जर्सी में वो जरूर खेल रहे हैं। एक दिग्गज ऑलराउंडर, बड़े शॉट वो खेलना जानते हैं। 150 से अधिक स्ट्राइक रेट है उनकी T20 फॉर्मेट में, तो ऐसे में ये बढ़िया सिद्ध हो सकता है उनके लिए। इस बार डीप पॉइंट पे खिलाड़ी तैनात हैं, 1 रन से रोक नहीं पाएंगे वहां उमर आलम को। इस 1 रन के साथ 87 रन बोर्ड पे अब स्ट्राइक पे हैं उबैद लोन। उनको यही कार्य सौंप दिया जा रहा है कि आप स्ट्राइक रेट लगातार रोटेट करें। और इस बार बहुत ही खूबसूरत गेंद, चारों खाने चित्त हुए थे ये खिलाड़ी, लेकिन भाग्यशाली रहे कि गेंद ने किनारा नहीं लिया। और इसी के साथ ओवर की भी समाप्ति, 9 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 87 रन बोर्ड पे और 4 विकेट के नुकसान पे। मेरे साथ मेरे सहयोगी अंग्रेजी कमेंटेटर, बड़ी मुश्किल से हमने उसको लाया, J&K के एक दिग्गज इंग्लिश कमेंटेटर शफी परा, SNW की शान भी इसको कहा जाता है। शफी भाई, ऐसे में अगर आप देखें जो सिटी हंक्स के खिलाड़ी है, मुझे लग रहा है कि सही ट्रैक पे ये जा रहे हैं। हालांकि पिछले ओवर में एक बड़ी विकेट का पतन जरूर हुआ था, लेकिन उमर आलम उनके कप्तान मैदान के अंदर।
Yeah, obviously, I think the next phase of the game started because both the batsmen are new at the crease there. And Umar Alam this time takes inside edge, it's up in the air, will be a soft dismissal for Umar Alam. And I was talking about the same thing. This was the most prominent peer from the City Hunks here. Another wicket has been sent back to the heart. Now, Nazir Tiger will be seen. He is walking from the dugout. Nazir Tiger is a big name. What a fielding by Nazir Tiger today. I think he has saved around 15 runs.
जी हाँ, आपने बिल्कुल सही शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया है। उन्होंने 15 या 20 रन जरूर बचाए होंगे अपनी टीम के लिए, अन्यथा वो स्कोर 170 175 का जरूर हुआ था। लेकिन तारीफ होनी चाहिए यहाँ नजीर टाइगर की, उन्होंने अपनी भागीदारी अब तक जरूर दी है। मैदान के अंदर इस समय हडल बनाई है, यहाँ फील्डर्स की जो टीम है आपस में इस समय वो बातचीत जरूर कर रहे हैं कि यहाँ से किस तरह से हम तंग कर सकते हैं सिटी हंक्स के खिलाड़ियों को। उमर आलम जो उनके कप्तान हैं वो आउट होकर डगआउट की ओर जरूर गए हैं। उनके आउट होने के बाद अब नजीर टाइगर मैदान के अंदर आए हैं। नजीर टाइगर एक ऐसे खिलाड़ी हैं जो बड़े शॉट खेल सकते हैं, ऐसे में उनकी कोशिश यही है कि बड़े शॉट्स खेले जाए। यहाँ उनका साथ देते हुए उबैद लोन जो इस समय नॉर्थ स्किंग एंड पे खड़े हैं। ड्रंक की ट्रॉली जो है वो मैदान के अंदर उतार दी गई है। ऐसे में आप अपने स्क्रीन पे यही देख रहे हैं कि कुछ समय के लिए जो है खेल रुका हुआ है।
Welcome back here. We had an IPL music there. And Nazir Tiger is coming and he is ready to face his first ball. And it was a drinks and a strategic timeout. We have... And now half of the innings is gone. Mobile, do you repeat? Nazir Tiger will be facing right arm over the stumps. Ball comes in. Nazir Tiger has taken the aerial route, catches the call at the short cover region. Ball has gone over the top of his head and lands very safely at the extra cover. 1 run has been taken by Nazir, and that has brought Abid on strike now. Abid Ubaidlun. Bowler goes to the top of his bowling mark, comes in, will be bowling to Ubaidlun. Right arm over the stumps, drives the ball handsomely, finds the fielder at the short point region, beautifully fielded there and saves almost 3 runs. Vital runs here on lovely Umar. Every run will be counted. And apart from the wicketkeeper, we have a gully in place, backward up point. We have a deep point, short cover and long off. This time smashes it all the way like a rocket. Well on the advertising boards there. 1 bounce into the fans for 4 from Nazir Tiger there. Score moves up to now Let's wait until I will give you the confirmation from the Combox side end. Nazir Tiger is on strike now. This time inside edge, leading edge in fact. No protection in the deep of third man. Ball is racing to the fence. Back-to-back boundaries here. Nazir Tiger is dealing in boundaries at the moment here. The match is going here between the two teams. Nazir Tiger is not out on 9 now. Short pitch bouncer and maybe warned there. White ball has been signaled by the umpire. It is 10th over in progress, 97 on the board, 98 now. 61 balls, 56 runs. Who will win the match? This will be an interesting question to the viewers on the Kashmir Sports Watch. This time plays it towards the short cover. In fact, towards the bowler side, and in the follow through he fielded the ball. And there is no run. Score stays on 98 for the loss of 5 wickets. Nazir Tiger is not out on 9. Obaid Loon is not out on 2. And now the equation is 60 balls and 56 runs. Both the batsmen need to take some calculated risk here on, and they have to capitalize and sustain the pressure as well. Let us see how they will capitalize their situation here on. Both the senior most players have been sent back to the hut. Umar Alam as well as Abid Nabi. Zahoor Sofi comes back into the attack, right arm over the stumps. This time it is finally up in the circle there. It is racing all the way, one bounce into the fence for 4 here. This is not a good line from Zahoor Sofi. Most of the occasions he has bowled around the leg stump there, and batsman is just showing the face of the bat there and sends the ball in style to the deep fine leg fence for 4. Score moves up to now 101. Bowler comes in, Zahoor Sofi. Slower one, beautiful ball on the pads. Big appeal. He has been given out. It was a beautiful ball by Zahoor Sofi. Lovely Umar. A ball before this was 136 kilometers in an hour. Lot of variations on the very next ball. A slower one has. I think it was a deadly plump call and a close call for the umpire. Slower one worked for Zahoor Sofi.
जी हाँ, इस बार बहुत ही अच्छी गेंद ये ज़रूर थी. स्लोअर गेंद का इस बार उन्होंने प्रयास किया था और नतीजा आपके सामने है. एक और विकेट का पतन होता हुआ यहाँ. उबैद लोन अब वापस जा रहे हैं. एक अच्छे लय में वो ज़रूर दिखाई दे रहे थे. हालांकि निराश ज़रूर हुए जब अंपायर ने ये निर्णय दिया था. अंपायर से थोड़ा बहुत वो निराश ज़रूर आए थे. गुलजार बूम ने आज कुछ अच्छे शॉट्स उन्होंने ज़रूर खेले थे, लेकिन 20 रन बनाकर वो वापस जा चुके हैं. एक बढ़िया खिलाड़ी वो ज़रूर थे, इसमें कोई दोहराई नहीं, लेकिन आज अंत तक वो खेल नहीं पाए. हालांकि नज़ीर टाइगर जो हैं, मुझे लग रहा है कि आज उनका दिन ज़रूर है. पहले फील्डिंग करते हुए उन्होंने 20 रन ज़रूर बचाए हैं अपनी टीम के लिए, और उसके बाद बल्ले से भी ये थोड़ा योगदान देते हुए अपनी टीम को. एक्स रणजी ट्रॉफी प्लेयर मुदस्सिर अहमद अब मैदान के अंदर आए हैं. एक बढ़िया खिलाड़ी ये ज़रूर है. एक दिग्गज ऑलराउंडर में उनका शुमार किया जाता है, और एक बार फिर वो मैदान के अंदर आए हैं.
Zahoor Sofi comes into the Mudassir. This time just nudges the ball. Good fielding at the fine leg, and this was a shy at the batsman's side head. Nazir Tiger was swift between the wickets. and he is not the ex-Ranji player, but he's a current Ranji player. That is Mudassir Ahmed. He was highly expensive today. Zuhur Sufi 3.3 overs, 41 runs and 3 wickets. And Zuhur Sufi has come back very strongly in his second spell. Have a Jacko on the fielding, long off, long on, deep mid wicket, deep square leg. And fine leg is up in the 30-yard circle. You have not ball there. Ball around the leg stem on the pads here. A simple flick can give the ball and will pave into the fence for 4 here. We have a gully, we have a backward of point, we have a straightish point. Now extra cover has been placed as well. Zuhur Sufi comes in. 4 time in this over. It's on the pad this time. Some appeal is there. And Zuhur Sufi was quite swift and charging over it like a tiger and pouncing on it. And was really in a jiffy receiving the ball. No run results. 56 balls remaining now. 51 runs required. Who will win the match? Amson City Hunks or Kashmir Howards? Let's wait for the answers here from Kashmir Supports Watch viewers. Drop your comments as Zuhur goes to the top of his bowling mark. This will be the 5th ball of the over.
ज़हूर सोफी अपने कोटे का अंतिम ओवर कर रहे हैं। हालांकि उन्होंने 3 महत्वपूर्ण विकेट जरूर लिए हैं। एक कप्तान भी हैं वो इस टीम का। तो ऐसे में ये जो प्रदर्शन उन्होंने किया है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत शॉट, गोली के रफ्तार से बॉलर बैक ड्राइव, गेंद बाउंड्री के बाहर 4 रनों के लिए। ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत शॉट था। जितनी तारीफ करे बहुत ही कम, जिसको हम हिंदी में दर्शनीय शॉट कहते हैं, उसी तरह का शॉट ये जरूर है।
Yeah, absolutely. Bowler's back drive. This was an on drive by Nazir Tiger and shot of the day for Nazir. And score goes up to now 107 for the loss of 6 wickets. Zuhur Sufi comes once more in this over last time. No change in the fielding. 55 balls, 47 runs. Sufi will be bowling to Nazir Tiger. This time goes on the back foot and punches the ball towards the short coverage, and fielder comes from the extra cover until ball will be received by the bowler. It is all of a end of 11 overs here. 108 on the board. 6 wicket is down. 54 balls. 46 runs needed now. Current run rate is 9.82 and the asking run rate has come down. That is 5.11 now.
जहां 54 गेंदों में 46 रन चाहिए मैच जीतने के लिए। 11 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 108 पे 6 सिटी हंकर्स की टीम नजीर टाइगर।
A wicket is needed here. You have to get a wicket. Apart from that, you have to contain the opponents, put maximum deliveries dot. Asking run rate should be more than the ball is remaining will be there, as the pressure will be mounting on the opponents. If here on Amson City Hunks will lose a wicket, some huge amount of pressure will come in the dugout. Comes in, will be bowling to Nazir Tiger. Well bowled, change of a pace in the very first ball, and it was a slower bouncer from Usaid Firdaus. He has conceded 21 runs already from his last 2 overs and 2 vital wickets as well. 6 down, 108 on the board. Mudassir Mulvi and Nazir Tiger are at the crease. Mudassir is at the non-strikers and Nazir Tiger will be facing second ball of the 12th over from Usaid Firdaus. We have a wideish long off, wideish long on. Slower one once again beats him. Slower ones are working well for the bowlers this time. Magnificent bowling by Usaid Firdaus. Ball goes to the wicket keeper, no run results. Mudassir Molvi, that's Mudassir Ahmed, Ranji Trophy player. He's having continuously chat. He's having some words with Nazir Tiger because he knows Nazir is not having a patience. He will go for big hitting here. He wants him to cool. This time launches it all the way. It's going all the way. Ball is still not landing outside the building there. It's a big 6.
जी हाँ, आज के मैच का अब तक का सबसे बड़ा छक्का, गेंद दर्शक दीर्घा में नजीर टाइगर के बल्ले से ये छक्का निकलता हुआ, और कितना बढ़िया छक्का। और शफी भाई, आप हमें ये कह रहे थे कि मुदस्सिर मौलवी लगातार उनसे बातचीत करते हैं कि जल्दबाजी करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, लेकिन कहा नजीर टाइगर कहाँ मानने वाले।
Yeah, Nazir Tiger will not pay any kind of response to Mudassir Ahmed, and heart of Nazir Tiger is not palpitating, but the heart of Mudassir Molvi at the non-strikers end is more palpitating there. And dear viewers on Kashmir Supports Watch, this time silver one. It has been belted away. It's over the top of the fence, over the top of the side screen for another six.
इस बार नजीर टाइगर के बल्ले से ये दूसरा छक्का, बॉलर उसके सर के ऊपर से, गेंद दर्शक दीर्घा में, एक और छक्का। नजीर टाइगर जिस तरह के खिलाड़ी हैं, आज एक बार फिर उन्होंने दर्शाया है क्यों है मुझ में इतनी काबिलियत। एक और छक्का दर्शक दीर्घा में, क्या बढ़िया बल्लेबाजी।
This time he has assaulted the ball and thrown the deep mid-wicket fence. 3 sixes in and over, and Usaid Firdaus has been banged there. Nazir Tiger, 13 balls, 32 runs, 3 sixes, 3 boundaries, and what a ballistic knock is being played by Nazir Tiger.
जी हाँ, यही तो मुदस्सिर मौलवी जो हैं वो उनको लगातार यही बातें बता रहे हैं कि जल्दबाजी करने की बिल्कुल भी आवश्यकता नहीं है। आप में जो काबिलियत है, आपकी काबिलियत से हम आराम से मैच जीत सकते हैं।
Lovely Nazir Tiger has changed the atmosphere of the ground. The body language of the Kashmir Hawards is absolutely looking down now, and they are looking very dull, very lethargic, and how they will anticipate here. 3 sixes were conceded by the bowler in the last over. Tiger is absolutely a real tiger there.
जी हाँ, एक तरफा किया है इस मैच को नजीर टाइगर। आपके तो क्या कहने हैं, बड़े छक्के, और किसी भी मैदान में ये छक्के होते, अगर ये किसी भी वेन्यू में खेले होते नजीर टाइगर। और आप फील्डिंग की अगर आप बात करें, जो फील्डिंग साइड की जो टीम है, उनकी जो मानसिकता है बिल्कुल गिरती नजर आ रहे हैं, जो उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज है वो गिरती नजर आ रहे हैं। और क्यों नहीं, वो जानते हैं कि हमारे हाथों से जो है खेल है वो निकलता जा रहा है। नजीर टाइगर अभी भी खड़े हैं मैदान के अंदर, मुदस्सिर मौलवी से वो लगातार बातचीत कर रहे हैं, जो आपके स्क्रीन के बिल्कुल सामने है। ऐसे में हमारे व्यूवर्स लगातार हमें सहयोग करते हुए।
Shawl seller from the Central Kashmir is Badgam, selected for the international cricket. Shawl seller from Kashmir selected for international cricket. Name to play, and I don't understand. And let's wish all the best for everyone. Shukur sir, Irfan Butt. Shukur moves up to now. Ironclad hitter of the ball, Nazir Tiger is at the non-striker's end. 48 balls now and 28 runs needed. This game is not yet done. I think the body language should be kept momentum here by the team of Zohar Sofi and his company.
जी हाँ, 48 गेंदों में 21 रन और चाहिए मैच जीतने के लिए। इस बार दिशा से भटकते नजर आ रहे हैं।
And one more run comes to the tally now. Score goes up to now 126. 6 wicket is down. That has brought Tiger back on the strike here. Ironclad man Nazir Tiger, and some goosebumps has been created by Nazir Tiger in the hurdle and in the fielders of this Kashmir Hawards. Nazir Tiger wants once again a big. Oh, that was as simple as. Everybody was expecting a run out there, and that should have been probably an easy chance for the bowler to go in the follow to get a run out.
जी हाँ, एक आसान मौका वहां गेंदबाज के पास जरूर था, लेकिन शफी भाई कहते हैं ना कि जब आपके हित में चीजें नहीं होती हैं तो तब इस तरह की दिक्कतें हमेशा नजर आती हैं।
Oh, Nazir Tiger is a giant hitter of the ball. Some giant hitting we have seen today. Bowler comes right arm over the stumps. Oh, this time Mudassir Molvi has found the gap. And what a fielding there. Absolutely acrobatic fielding. Run out chances here. Let's wait. He has made his line. 2 more runs have been taken. I think the scenario of the match has turned very hot now. And in the hot conditions, the match has gone very excited now. This is going to be the sensational phase of the match as the 2 strong teams, Kashmir Howards, are taking on the Amson City Hunks here at the JKPL.
जी हाँ, 45 गेंदों में 18 रनों की जरूरत है मैच जीतने के लिए। सिटी हंक्स को देखना यही होगा कि कब तक वो जीत का परचम लहरा सकते हैं। कश्मीर हावर्ड्स की जो टीम है वो लगातार प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि उनको आउट करने का, लेकिन अब तक वो कामयाब नहीं हुए हैं, ये मानना पड़ेगा। मुदस्सिर मौलवी इस समय स्ट्राइक पे है, 9 सेकंड पे खुद डेंजर मैन।
Yeah, there is quantum jump, and in the current run rate that has gone up to 10.40 now. 130 is already on the board. Bowler comes 4 times in this over. This time it's all the way. It has taken huge amount of distance as well as height. It is sounding like a firecracker. This time it was not Nazir Tiger, and believe me, this is Mudassir, and he's banged the ball all the way for a 6 here.
43 गेंदों में अब 12 रन और चाहिए मैच जीतने के लिए। इस बार ये छक्का जो था वो मुदस्सिर मौलवी के बल्ले से, और कितना बढ़िया छक्का। बॉलर्स के सर के ऊपर से जब इस तरह के शॉट्स हम देखने को मिलते हैं तो काफी उत्साहित हम भी होते हैं।
They are murdering the ball. Nazir Tiger as well as Mudassir Ahmed. Bowler comes Shabir Molvi. Last time in this over, right arm Modus Thomas. This time catches the call, but it safely lands there before Manzoor Pando reaches there. Nazir Tiger wants a second run. Mudassir had no intentions. Another over gone. It is 13 over is gone. 37 on the board for the loss of 6 wickets. 42 balls and 17 runs.
जी हाँ, 42 गेंदों में 17 रन और चाहिए मैच जीतने के लिए। ऐसे में कश्मीर
Sports Watch giving you the live coverage from the JKPL from the venue of Green Valley Institution here from summer capital of the JK Union Territory, that is Srinagar, one of the beautiful districts where valleys and the country is one of the most beautiful lakes is found here, that is Dal Lake. We have a Hazrat Bal, we have Kashmir University, beautiful university there, and all the Mughal gardens. I think the city of Srinagar is surrounded by some beautiful gardens and mountains and by some lakes as well. And in between, from the heart of this city, Valley is one of the beautiful and one of the biggest river is flowing. It is Jahlim River, and this adds more flavor and more beauty to the valley, to the paradise on the earth, that is Kashmir Valley. And we are giving you the live coverage from JKPL, match number 2 of this day.
13 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 137 पे 6 है सिटी हंक्स की टीम। मुदस्सिर मौलवी और नजीर टाइगर क्रीज के अंदर है। इस बार कोई जवाब नहीं था मुदस्सिर मौलवी के सामने। गेंद सीधे डंडे पे, एक और विकेट का पतन, ये 7वीं विकेट का पतन।
Yes, just rattle is on the stumps there, gets a wicket here. This will give some sort of confidence in the fielders of here Kashmir Howards. And another batsman is walking towards Nazir Tiger there. Nazir Tiger, as long as the batsman is there, and he surely will take game away. And from here, bowlers need to hit the deckhand. If Kashmir Howard want to win the match, then they have to pull out all the stops. Then they have to go with all the guns blazing. Otherwise, they will be knocked out.
जहां कश्मीर हावर्ड की जो टीम है उनको 3 विकेट और चाहिए जीत के लिए, और वही सिटी हंक्स की अगर आप बात करें 41 गेंदों में 17 रन और चाहिए इस महत्वपूर्ण मैच को जीतने के लिए।
I think as long as Nazir Tiger is staying at the non-strikers and if the bowler will be able to get a couple of wickets in this over, surely this will change the picture of the game, and that will be absolutely an interesting phase of the match as well. Nazir Tiger is continuously staying at the non-strikers and he is not out on 33 from 14 balls with 3 huge monsters of sixes and 3 boundaries as well. His strike rate is 236. Faisal Dar is the new batsman. He will be facing a fresh ball and this will be the very first ball for Faisal Dar and second ball of the over. Change in the fielding. Extra cover has been placed in. We have a long off, long on. Wideish long off. Oh, beautifully ball there, appeal there, going there. And there was a shy at the non-strikers and Nazir Tiger is asking for a single there. Faisal Dar is on strike. Faisal Dar had no intentions to respond. Nazir Tiger. Osad Firdausi, the bowler, goes to the top of his bowling mark. Comes in. Faisal Dar, his back foot punch, sends the ball towards the mid-off. Fielder comes from the long off until ball will be received by the bowler. Batsmen have all the time between the wickets to have one more to the tally. It's 138 on the board for the loss of 7 wickets. It is 39 balls, 16 runs, 3 wickets in hand for Emson City Hunks Kashmir here.
39 गेंदों में 16 रन और चाहिए मैच जीतने के लिए। नजीर टाइगर अब स्ट्राइक पे हैं जो 33 रन बनाकर अभी भी नाबाद है मैदान के अंदर। इस बार
this is going to be a match. This is going to be a match for the Kashmir Howards. It has taken the aerial route here. A top edge in the air. No fumble behind the wickets by wicketkeeper. And catch has been taken. This is Lovely Umar. Absolutely a huge wicket. Nazir Tiger was taking the game from the jaws of the opponents here. His wicket has been taken. I have already mentioned that 2 wickets in this over will change the scenario of the match.
जहां एक बहुत बड़ी विकेट जाल में और वो भी किस बल्लेबाज की विकेट। नजीर टाइगर अब वापस जा रहे हैं। उन्होंने 33 रन जरूर बनाए हैं अपनी टीम के लिए, लेकिन एक बढ़िया खिलाड़ी हम उसी को कहते हैं शफी भाई जो अपनी टीम को जिताने में कामयाब होते हैं, यानी कि अंतिम रन भी बनाए। अब तक मैच समाप्त नहीं हुआ।
Yes, absolutely. Nazir Tiger has played, an innings of Pat and Perky here, and 3 monster sixes, and he was blazing the ball like a rocket there. And this was absolutely insane hitting from Nazir Tiger. His wicket has been taken. Now the match is 50-50 because 8 wickets are down. They have to get only 2 wickets. 2 good line balls will get them some wickets here. Osad Firdaus goes to the top of his bowling mark. Finally gets the wicket of Nazir Tiger. Comes in. Balls to the batsman. This time glances the ball. It was up in the air. Catch was the call there, but it falls just in the no man's land area. A 1-run results. That has brought, I think, Faisal on the strike now. New batsman comes in. It is Shabir Moli was the bowler. Ankush comes the new batsman there, left-handed Ankush.
और कहना तो यही पड़ेगा कि ये जो 2 खिलाड़ी अब मैदान के अंदर हैं वो गेंदबाज हैं, यानी कि निचले क्रम के गेंदबाज। ऐसे में 2 अच्छी गेंदें अगर आप करते हैं तो निश्चित तौर पे उनका पतन होगा यहाँ।
I think if they want to reach the pinnacle of the game here, both Ankush and Faisal, what is important here, they have to hold up their nerves because this is not the game of hitting the shots here. This is sensible game. You have to go for singles and doubles. You have to contend with absolutely with singles and doubles, and you will get the game in your pocket. Otherwise, if you don't, it will be surely a big frustration at the end of the day in the City Hunks dugout.
हमने तो पूरी पारी में नजीर टाइगर को काफी सराहा और उनकी तारीफ भी की है, लेकिन जब टीम को चाहिए था उनको उनका ठहरना पिच के अंदर, तब उन्होंने थोड़ी सी जल्दबाजी की। और कहते हैं ना कि अगर आप गलतियां करते हैं तो उसका खामियाजा आपको हमेशा भुगतना पड़ता है।
Yeah, absolutely. Once Nazir Tiger was there, it was going to be a pipe dream for the team Kashmir Howards here. Once his wicket has been taken, the match has been balanced now. And here they need one more wicket. Ankush is the man on strike. Bowler Shabir comes in right on over the stumps. Ankush just nudges the ball sensibly towards the mid-on region. Fielder comes from the long on. Until ball will be received back by the bowler. Batsmen have all the time between the wickets to go for another run here. Now that has brought Faisal Dar on strike. Score moves up to now.
फैसल डार अब स्ट्राइक पे आए हैं, जो एक दाएं हाथ के खिलाड़ी हैं। 8वें-7वें नंबर पे वो बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए
13 runs needed here. 8 wickets gone. 148 on the board here. 35 balls, 13 runs.
35 गेंदों में 13 रन और चाहिए मैच जीतने के लिए सिटी हंक्स को।
Can Shabir Molvi get a wicket for Kashmir Howards here? This time it's on the pads. It looks close. It looks like a very, very deadly close there. Maybe, yes, it was missing the off stump there. Has been declared not out. Leg by signal by the umpire. 1 run results. It is 12 needed from 34.
जहां
They have to get only 2 wickets here, Kashmir Howards.
34 गेंदों में 12 रन और चाहिए मैच जीतने के लिए सिटी हंक्स को। हालांकि उनके 8 खिलाड़ी डगआउट की ओर वापस जरूर जा चुके हैं आउट होकर।
They don't need dot balls here. They only need wickets, Kashmir Howards here. Ankush is looking quite composed there, quite composed. And he is playing a mature innings here. Although he has not scored many runs, but coming very new to this crease there. And I think it looks like he has been hanging there for a long period of time. This is the sensibility of the game, just understanding the level of game. And City Hunks must be waiting for his, and in a style sends the ball towards the short cover region. Fielder comes in. No run results. It is now 32 balls and 12 runs. Loudly on that.
जी हाँ, 32 गेंदें और हैं और 12 रन और चाहिए मैच जीतने के लिए। कश्मीर हावर्ड की जो टीम है उनको 2 विकेटों की तलाश है इस समय। गेंदबाज ऑफ द विकेट, बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट। वहां डीप पॉइंट पे खिलाड़ी तैनात हैं, 1 रन से रोक नहीं पाएंगे। इस 1 रन के साथ स्कोर बोर्ड आगे बढ़ता हुआ। अब 30 गेंदों में 11 रन और चाहिए मैच जीतने के लिए। आज दोपहर टॉस जीता था सिटी हंक्स के कप्तान ने, उमर आलम ने, और उन्होंने पहले गेंदबाजी करने का निर्णय किया।
The interesting question will be here that Zuhur Sofia has utilized all his mainstays. That is, Zuhur Sofia has completed his quota of 4 overs. Manzoor Dar, that is Manzoor Pond of 4 overs. Usaid Firdaus has, bowled 4 overs. So we have 1 over from Abid Gul in which he has conceded 14 runs. And we have Shabir Molvi. He's having 2 overs as well. And he comes last time in this over. Right arm over the stumps. This time it has been just pulled away towards the short square leg region. Fielder comes in action and sends his ball back to the wicket keeper until ball will be returned back by the wicket keeper. Batsman managed yet another single on the board. It is 145 on the board for the loss of 8 wickets, 15 overs gone. Now we have only 10 runs and 30 balls here. The asking run rate is absolutely 2 runs in an over. The current run rate is 9.60. I think the intention of Kashmir, that is City Hunks here, what they did from the very beginning of the match, they started, some blistering hittings here, and their current run rate, there were never any questions over it, because every time they were running at the rate of 9-10 runs in an over. So at the moment, the current run rate is 9.60.
ज़ुहूर सोफी जो है वो खुद स्लिप में तैनात है, एक कप्तान की भूमिका वो इस समय जरूर निभा रहे हैं। 30 गेंदों में 10 रन और चाहिए मैच जीतने के लिए। इस बार डिफ्लेक्ट किया शॉर्ट स्क्वायर लेग की ओर से, जब तक कीपर दौड़ के उसको फील्ड कर पाते एक रन से रोक नहीं पाएंगे। अब शफी भाई 9 रन और चाहिए जीत के लिए।
You can't predict anything from the game of cricket. A game of uncertainties, a game of momentous, and only 2 wickets needed here by Kashmir Howards here. Manzoor Pando, Zuhur Sofi and his company, they need a wicket here. Comes right arm around the wickets. They don't have to leak the runs. Ball is racing towards the third man. Fans fielder comes in charge. And there's a shot, the no-strikers, and it would have been most probably a run-out chance there. Where there was chance of a run, they have taken couple of runs here. Now 7 needed from 28 balls.
और कश्मीर हावर्ड की अगर आप बात करें तो वो एक विकेट की तलाश में है। अगर एक और विकेट चटकाने में कामयाब होंगे यहाँ कश्मीर हावर्ड के गेंदबाज, तो मुझे लग रहा है इस मैच में मजा और आना बाकी
Yes,
है।
absolutely. A wicket can change the game here. Bowler comes in. Sohail Mir, right arm out round the wickets. I think Ankush is playing like a promising batsman there at the late middle, or in fact he's playing with the tailenders at the moment here. He's not out on 6. That is Ankush Bandral, and he has faced 7 balls. Very, very composed innings comes from the Ankush, and it looks like that it is the equation here is 6 runs and 27 balls to go. And this time doesn't allow the batsman to go for a single. We have 26 balls, 6 runs needed from the City Hawks and 2 wickets needed by the team of that is Kashmir Howards here. Ball comes in right arm and sends the ball back to the bowler. 1 run results.
ज़ुहूर सोफी जो कप्तान है कश्मीर हावर्ड का, मुझे लग रहा है कि सही रणनीति के साथ वो नहीं खेल रहे हैं। और अब जो उन्होंने फील्डिंग सजाई है, यही मैं चाह रहा था कि आप सिंगल ब्लॉक करें ताकि खिलाड़ी जो है वो बड़े शॉट खेलने पे मजबूर हो जाए।
Absolutely, you are absolutely right. This time comes down the track and that's a beautiful cover drive. Shot of the day. And straight through the cover boundary for 4. What a shot from Ankush.
जी हाँ, अंकुश के बल्ले से निहायत ही खूबसूरत, बहुत ही आला शॉट निकलता हुआ कवर ड्राइव जो इसको हम कहते हैं, वो हमेशा एक बढ़िया शॉट माना जाता है। अंकुश ने आज गेंदबाजी से भी हमको प्रभावित किया था और आज एक बार फिर उन्होंने ये दर्शाया है कि मुझ में क्यों है उतनी काबिलियत। अब केवल 1 रन चाहिए मैच जीतने के लिए और सिटी हंक्स के जो खिलाड़ी है उनका डगआउट बिल्कुल खुशी से झूम रहा है।
Only 1 run needed now. 24 balls to go here. This time pulled it away. It's all the way, and the hopes for the City Hawks remains alive in the match, in the tournament as well. And it was a do or die situation for City Hawks here. If they would have lost this match, they surely would have been out of the competition. And we are absolutely now giving you the live coverage and live streaming on Kashmir Supports Watch. You have been enjoying the news from the JKPL is that City Hawks that they have won the match by 2 wickets here.
और ऐसे में आज सिटी हंक्स को अपना अच्छा प्रदर्शन देना था और उन्होंने एक बार फिर ये किया है, अपने खिलाड़ियों को एक बढ़िया प्रदर्शन करके अपनी टीम को विजय यहाँ जरूर दिलाई है। मंजूर पांडो की जो टीम है वो आज खास कुछ कर नहीं पाए और इस मैच को हारे वो जरूर।
Actually, it was Nazir Tiger. He has taken the game away from the opponents here. And JKPL presented you another blockbuster of the match here. City Hawks, who had a do and die situation here. We are going for the presentation ceremony there. And Nazir Tiger, he was splendid today. Acrobatic fielding from Nazir Tiger. Apart from being a very nice fielder, he has been such a blistering batsman. We are going and staying live with you people from the JKPL Green Valley Educational Institute ground. And we are highly thankful to the president of the JKPL, Mr. Maroof Sahab, the chief editor of the INS News. And we are going towards the presentation ceremony now. Abdul Rakib can show some other parts of the ground as well. This is the residential side area. This is the building. And we are going to the post-match presentation ceremony. And absolutely Omar Alam, the happy man today, and they fought really well. They fought back in the game where it had huge amount of pressure in the dugout. Abid Nabi, Nazir Tiger, Umar Alam are walking towards the presentation ceremony there. Nazir Tiger completely changed the picture of the game. Abid Nabi had some wickets as well as some runs. And this was a fantastic match. And we are going for the post-match presentation ceremony here.
I request you to please wait 2 minutes before we proceed for the presentation ceremony. I just require 2 minutes before we proceed for the presentation ceremony.
You are watching live on Kashmir Sports Watch here from the JKPL, which has presented another blockbuster, a Super Friday here, and it was a fantastic game between the two teams, Kashmir Howards versus City Hunks, and it was absolutely a bell dropper matches. Nazir Tiger, the man who has completely changed the picture of the game. And huge and insane hitting that we have seen from the Nazir Tigers bat today. And we are going in the post-match presentation ceremony. In the presentation ceremony, may I have Umar Alam here? May I have Umar Alam to have a few lines with him, the captain of the City Hunks. Umar, this was the very first day for we people coming live on a Kashmir Sports Watch. I think a bell dropper match is here. Do or die situation for you people, but you fought really well. I think a fantastic dressing room there.
Yeah, we tried our best. That was the thing we discussed in the post-match. When the first innings went on, we tried our best. That's what we could have done. And secondly, let's hope the second match goes on how we wish and we can make it to the quarterfinals.
What was going in the dressing room once 154 was the target to the people? Because the way dressing room was absolutely in a pressure there, because in a do or die situation here, either you had to go and bang the ground here, but I think you people composed the pressure and you capitalized and sustained the pressure in the ground here, and this was absolutely a great win.
Basically, this wicket is not, we can't say it's a true batting wicket. The ball bounces here on the length. There's a variable bounce, so we did what we could have, and there were 2-3 loose shots that could have made the difference. Leaving apart everything, we did our best, and inshallah, let's hope we qualify. That's it.
I think you are a champion captain. And what about the innings of Nazir Tiger at the middle? I think there was depth in your batting today.
Yeah, there has been depth, and we have been clicking at the right time. And as you said, Nazir Tiger is the name. So he's there. He has won us many games, and this was one of them.
And Abid Nabi, I can't forget his role as well, because being a bowler as well as a fantastic all-rounder, I think he has displayed a flamboyancy in the match as well.
Absolutely, he's a legend. We can't say anything else. He did it with the ball and with the bat as well.
Omar bhai, thank you so much for being part of Kashmir Sports Watch here. The Ranji Trophy player and ex-Ranji Trophy player, that was Omar Alam, the captain of City Hunks here. And we are also here with the host commentator here. He will go with the man of the match award of the day.
Well, thank you for joining me here for the presentation ceremony. An excellent game of cricket concluded over here. It was a pressure situation for Amson Stehans today, but I would extend my heartiest congratulations to Omar Alam and his team of warriors for winning this cricket game. This was their consecutive fourth win of the tournament, and hard luck to team Kashmir Howard Zunimer Cricket Club today. Now I would like to introduce you the guests for the presentation ceremony. First of all, I would like to have with me cartoonist Fab. His name is Farooq Ahmed Butt with the title Fab. He is with us here today. Mr. Ashok is with us as a guest for the presentation ceremony. I have with me President Jammu Kashmir Premier League, Mr. Maruf Abdullah. Thank you so much. Few awards lined up over here. First of all, I have a certificate of appreciation for most wickets and an economical bowler in a match. And it goes to Usaid Sheikh from Zunimer Cricket Club for the most wickets in a match. It goes to Usaid. He will receive the certificate of appreciation from Fab. Well done, Usaid. Next, I have an award for Super Catch of the Match. The Super Catch of the Match is sponsored by Urbanak, a coupon worth ₹500, and it's claimed by Nazir Tiger from Amson Stehans today. A spectacular catch by Nazir Tiger. He will receive this coupon worth ₹500. Well done, Nazir. Exceptional with the bat today as well. Next, I have an award, wireless earphones powered by Unix, Super Sixes of the Match award, and it goes to Nazir Tiger for it in 3 sixes with a strike rate of 224. Nazir Tiger will receive this award. Next, I have an award for Game Changer of the Match. The Game Changer is sponsored by Appearance by Hook, a complete makeover coupon, and it again goes to Nazir Tiger for 33 runs of 14 balls. A complete makeover coupon he will receive from Appearance by Hook. Last but not least, I have a check worth ₹1,000 and a memento of appreciation for Man of the Match award. This time this is different one. Abid Nabi again today, Man of the Match. 4 hours, 31 runs, 2 wickets, 36 runs of 17 balls. He will receive a check worth ₹1,000. Abid, if you could join me here. Abid bhai, आज की गेम बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट गेम थी आपके लिए. तो आप जब बॉलिंग करने पहले आपने अपोजिट टीम को चेज के लिए लाया, तो क्या स्ट्रेटजी थी, क्योंकि ऑलराउंडर पे सारा डिपेंड होता है ऐसे क्रूशियल गेम्स में, तो क्या स्ट्रेटजी थी और कैसे इंप्लीमेंट किया आपने इसको गेम में?
नहीं, जब स्टार्टिंग में हमारी जो मुदस्सिर को रन पड़े थे, थोड़े से प्रेशर में आए थे कप्तान, तो कोशिश की थी मैंने कि मैं थोड़ा सा गेम को थोड़ा सा स्लो करूं, और उसी हिसाब से मैं अपना प्लान बनाया था और कप्तान को भी बोला था कि मैं ऐसे प्लान कर रहा हूं, तो वो एग्जीक्यूट हुआ अच्छे तरीके से हुआ. So thanks to Almighty Allah.
Bilkul, now your scenario is completely dependent upon the next games we have, because they will decide your qualifying criteria for the semi-finals, for the quarter-finals. We wish you best of luck ahead for the tournament ahead. Thank you for joining me here today.
Thanks for coming for you here.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy it.
This is the president of the JKPL, Maruf Saab. Thank you so much for inviting we people.
Thanks for Abida.
बिल्कुल, जितने भी लोग इस JKPL में है, जो एक गुड काज है, एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है यहाँ के क्रिकेटर्स को और यहाँ के तमाम लोगों को. मुझे लगता है कि एक ज़बरदस्त एंटरटेनमेंट है. और मारूफ साहब, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Thanks for coming और hope आपने डिफरेंट देखा होगा यहाँ.
Yeah, absolutely. It was a different experience and a different venue, and Srinagar city, which is I think a crown of the valley, and Educational Institute ground here. Stay tuned on the very next day. Until then, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.